What do these symbols mean? Add in a transversal. So add in a transversal. The blue line is a transversal. Add in some numbers for your angles.
Oh, you did this before.
I said angle 1 and angle 5. What type of angle are those? And corresponding angles mean what?
They're equal.
They're equal. They are congruent. What other angles are corresponding? If you need help, think of this point as an intersection. Corresponding angles are at the same spot of the intersection. Notice 2 and 6 are both in the right top corner. 4 and 8 are both in the lower right corner. What two types of angles add up to 180?
3, 5. 3.
Yeah, this one's alternate exterior, so what do you know?
So it's equals 180.
They're congruent.
Oh, it equals 75.
Yeah, so the angle is 75 degrees. You're done. And then the last one is number 4. You have two parallel lines.
Same side interior.
Same side interior are consecutive.
78.
How'd you get 78?
Well, I got 180. I subtracted 102, and then I got 78.
Because they're same side, they're consecutive, therefore they equal 180. Number 8, you have parallel lines, V and U. You have a transversal. You have another transversal.
Oh, I see it.
You have the expression 67 minus 1, which is in this corner, or that angle. You have 47, which is in that angle. So that green transversal creates 67 minus 1 and 47.
Linear.
Those two were close. Consecutive interior.
Oh.
So those two angles are consecutive interior. Therefore, they equal
180.
180.
So,
So you would say 67 minus 1
or no, could you
plus 47.
Could you do a 67 minus 48 or plus 46?
Well, I'm going to show all my steps. So yes, it's 67 plus 46 equals 180. You continue solving for the x variable. You get 67 equals 134. Divide by 67.
2.
You get x equals 2. So you have a transversal, which is this line. The transversal, this one right here, cuts U and V and creates these two angles. What type are those? See how this angle is on one side of the transversal and this is on the other side of the transversal? And are they outside the parallel lines or inside?
Outside.
So that's why they're exterior. So are they congruent or equal to 180?
Congruent.
They are congruent. So how do I solve for x?
Some equal to each other.
21x plus 4 equals 130. So if you minus 4, you get 21x equals 126. Divide by 21, x equals what type of angles do you see? You got two parallel lines. You have one transversal and you have another transversal. It just doesn't go all the way.
Yes.
So what types of angles are the expression x plus 107 and 100? Corresponding angles.
Equal 180.
Nope.
Some equal to each other.
The corresponding angles are congruent, so you set them equal to each other.
Plus 107 equals 100.
Equals 100.
And so you subtract
So x is gonna equal,
7.
close,
Negative
6.
7.
it's gonna equal -7,
Corresponding.
corresponding.
Wait. Oh, I meant does say corresponding, not.
Oh. So since they're congruent, you set them equal to each other and solve for x.